Canicotti Massacre, July 14th, 1943. The scorching heat of Sicily. The town of Canicotti had just been cleared of German troops. The town was in ruins and the people were exhausted from days of hunger. A rumor spread among the locals. There were supplies of food and soap in the ruins of the Agostino Gallo soap factory. Hundreds of hungry men, women, and children rushed to the factory in hopes of survival. They were filling buckets with soap and other essentials. This was not a crime. It was a desperate struggle for survival. At that moment, Lieutenant Colonel Herbert L. McCaffrey of the 15th Regiment, 3rd Infantry Division of the U.S. Army arrived at the scene. He was responsible for keeping order, but his heart held nothing but hatred. Seeing the crowd, the colonel demanded they disperse immediately. However, in the chaos and noise, the civilians did not understand his command or could not move fast enough. McCaffrey gave a horrific order to his soldiers: "Fire into the crowd!" But something rare in history occurred. The American soldiers refused to obey their commander. Seeing that they were facing not enemy combatants, but women and children with eyes full of fear, they lowered their rifles. Furious, McCaffrey pulled out his own Colt .45 handgun and began massacring the unarmed civilians himself. He personally killed at least 8 innocent people. Among the victims was a young girl only 11 years old. Her only crime was trying to get a piece of soap for her family. The U.S. Army covered up this incident immediately. McCaffrey was never court-martialed. He continued his service and died a hero's death at his home in 1954 of natural causes. This secret lay buried under dust in military archives for over 50 years. It was only in the late 1990s that historian Joseph Salemi revealed the truth to the world. It was exposed that even among the liberators there were executioners. The Canicotti Massacre serves as a reminder that war is not just about heroism, but a test of humanity. The soldiers saved their consciences by refusing the order, but their commander was condemned to eternal infamy. History forgets nothing. It only waits for its time. Dear friends, support us so we can continue to uncover these types of mysterious and see you in the next horrific truths.